Hi guys, I'm here again trying something new. So those who know me, they know that the queen of McFeast. Like I love McFeast. Oh, tongue twister. I enjoy McFeast. Like I buy McFeast each time I buy something at McDonald's. It has to be McFeast. But today I wanted to try something new. Not necessarily new, Foldover. I think I once tasted this Poma 8 years ago or 10 years ago when I was still at varsity at UJ. I remember I had this other boyfriend who preferred like a Foldover, and then I once tasted it. So yeah, but I forgot how it tastes. So I was like, you know what, let me get something. So today we are we are trying the chicken Foldover, the McDonald's chicken Foldover, as you can see. Hopefully I will enjoy it. So yeah, and honestly I enjoy my apple juice. So yeah, I also wanna try the Cajun chicken. So I also asked them to add this. Let's see how it looks. Okay, we're gonna taste it. Let me make a different video for the Cajun chicken, right? Okay, let's go ahead. How do we open this? All right, I guess we open here. We open here. Oh, it's closed. Hopefully, oh yeah. All right, it says tear here. So let us tear. We are cheering. Hi man. I think this is supposed to be. I don't know. But the way it looks, look how it looks. I think this part is supposed to be here, and then wow. Whatever. Let me do this. Can you see? This is supposed to be here. Okay. It looks nice. It looks good. It looks good. Let's try it.
Oh, you're nice.
They don't have wipes. Those people.
I like that.
Serious.
I always like
I know. KFC always have.
It's funny.
Not too bad.
I want to taste this rice. I'm still bloated. Whose food is this? What has it eaten?
It's okay.
Mama,
Just okay.
I think it's so hard enough. Because he ate with Angel.
But I don't think I would buy it again. It's just okay. Not bad. Not too good. It's just okay. I guess I'll continue to be that what is this? The McFeast queen. Because this is just okay. I wouldn't buy it again though. I think since there isn't much about this chicken Foldover, I'm going to try the Cajun chicken or Cajun. Right. Their fries. Man. I love this sweater of mine. It's Umbro. I love it. So light. It's spring and I'm wearing a sweater. Okay, let me stop talking. Let's come to the Cajun chicken. Or Cajun. Whatever. Cajun. Whatever. It looks so cute. It does. It does. Okay, so basically, this is it. just chicken patty or I don't know, cheese, some white sauce, lettuce, and slice of tomato.
Because inside is hot. Huh? This place rain.
It's not getting here.
Oh yeah, I think there's small stories. Thank you for telling me what you've done.
Okay.
Microwave.
I already put on my stuff. The shower stuff is.
Need to get a ring light.
Yes. Yeah.
That's my reaction. Not bad. Also not too nice, just okay. Good job.
I just remember how when the first day we all came into the house. And how now it's like,
I had something.
am I the one that thinks that it went too fast?
Cajun. Ooh,
We said yesterday.
I
my
went too
lettuce
fast,
is falling out.
That it came and went like just gone, bro.
Not bad. It's okay.
You give it to Cross, so Cross that wanted to fry all the chicken.
It's okay.
Chicken should be free in case of sleep. Which is unlikely.
Keep it in fridge and tell somebody else to.
Give me an apple juice
Oh,
anytime.
but if you stay, it's all yours.
Anytime.
Take my time, last for a week now.
Let's get some ketchup.
That's the funny thing. One person, one of me, I think it's two.
Some
I
ketchup.
said only one person.
How can all of you, like, it's 5 now? Only one person. As in,
My
what
hairstyle
else is in the top 5, Father?
is actually saying to me, Mommy,
Exactly.
Mommy,
Top 6.
I'm tired now.
Top 6. I don't know, Shabba.
Put back there.
Do you know what's funny? I watched Titans, but I didn't watch. I didn't even watch maybe.
Fries.
After who left? Somebody left.
Was it the
Was that it?
Chris? Get it.
No, he left. People left way earlier than we thought.
Give me a fish fry.
What are you doing? Zenzi, what are you doing out here? I must say, let's say you don't know. But
I don't think I would like this sound.
What happened there? Something went wrong. Because it was, I mean,
When he came in, he was training for days.
friends are here.
Bye-bye. Got my review.
Oh boy.
But I like
Chicken
some
Foldover.
movies I really like. Did you watch it?
Cajun chicken. It's okay. It's not too nice. It's not bad. It's okay. Like it's eatable. You can eat it. It's like, yeah. It's a burrito. I'm gonna finish it. But McFeast, it's my favorite.
And then when somebody was
Whenever I go to my day, it's McFeast, guys. I'm a McFeast food.
The way you're trying to pursue the girl.
Yes.
Yeah, what do you mean?
Oh, no.
What do you mean like? I mean, they